Three, two, one.
Okay, so now let's move on to the insert statement. So we've created the table My Customer in the last lesson, and now we'll insert rows of data into My Customer table. So you can see here I have My Customer, and I'm going to go to the SQL pane to create a SQL statement. I've already have a SQL statement already written out here. You actually see three SQL statements, the insert into command. So the syntax of that is insert into table name. In this case, it's My Customer, the values command, and then open parentheses, and then you place in the order that they appear in the table the values you want to insert. So in this case, I have the table that has columns of customer ID, 1. I have last name, Smith, first name, Fred, gender, capital M for male. And I have a semicolon to end that command, and I have the same command again, inserting another row of data. This time it's customer ID 2, with last name of Jones, first name Sally, female, and then lastly, a third insert, customer ID 3, Patel, last name Arpit, first name, male. So one thing I want to mention is that SQL is not case sensitive, so this could have all been in lowercase or all been in uppercase as far as the commands are concerned. What is case sensitive, though, is what goes inside. So small capital S and small MITH is different than capital all capitals SMITH, especially when you're searching for data. So be careful that you put the data in as you want to store it, because it will have a difference between upper and lower case. Notice I'm choosing the default, I'm choosing a standard of capitalization on the gender, so it's standard. So what I want to do now is run this set of commands using the run button here, and you'll see that the query returns successfully, 1 row affected. Don't necessarily worry about the number of rows. What we can do is come back to the SQL pgadmin pane here, and then for the My Customer table highlighted, use this option to view the data in the object, and you'll see that my 3 rows are in there. Customer ID, last names, first names, and gender. All right, so that is a quick example of how to insert data into a table.